Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the font style and size on Samsung Galaxy A56. Let's begin. First, go to the settings, and then after scrolling down a little, go to the display. After scrolling down a little, we should see font size and style right here. We click it, and now we can enable the boldness of our font. We can change its size, and of course we can change its font. We can change it to something normal, or we can press download fonts, which almost work. Oh, we simply hit to agree, and now we can install some custom fonts. As you can see, these are pretty wild, honestly. Oh, the nightmare. Oh, it's not free. Well, let's switch to the top 3, and that's kind of disappointing, but you can go with Choco Cookie, and after it's installed we can leave it. We can leave the store, and now we can switch to Choco Choki, and we can even increase its boldness if you want to, and now our whole phone is goofy. Wow, amazing. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.